Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing some stickers on the badges. As you probably see in my previous video, I got a set from PremiumAuto Styling, which is the carbon with the red Ford logo and the ST and stuff. I'm going to be changing that completely because I kind of tried something different and I really like the contrast between the blue and the white. So from now on, obviously it's going to go from blue and white, not blue and red, which is what I was going for originally. But yeah, I'm going to completely change it, go for blue and white contrast to the colour. So the car is obviously blue. I'm going to put some white stickers on it, which is a Ford. As you can see here on this is the Ford, new Ford logo at the front, and also goes for the steering wheel. But yeah, these are, you can get them on PremiumAuto Styling. They're so good, they're good quality as well. I'll leave the link for their website in the description down below. Literally go check PremiumAuto Styling out. They are fantastic. They do some good stuff like badges, they do sun strips, they do all kinds of stuff. I would recommend checking it out. So before we start, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get to the video. So guys, let's get to it. We're going to be doing it. We're going to be changing these. I'll show you now. So as you can see, we're going to be changing these to this. I think it's fantastic. So let's get rid of that. Literally, it's just peeling it off on the side. Not sure if it's just sticky, but they are fantastic. They do stick very well, as you can see. Perfect. Before we start, we want to give it a good clean. So we're taking off the red one and putting the white one in. Looks so much better. Perfect. Look at that. Beast. Looks so good. Yeah, something quick. I really like the white and blue. Like obviously the car's blue with the white writing. It looks so much better, and the background is carbon fiber, which you'll see goes well with the mirrors. As you've seen in the previous video, I'll leave a link down below for the mirror video. Yeah, it's fantastic. I'm just gonna hit the cinematic view and then get back to you in a second. So that's it, all done. I am going to replace these here. So I'm going to be taking that out. It's going to be carbon fiber with the white ST logo. Makes it look better as well with the car. But yeah. So that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay safe, stay home. See you next video. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.